Naya. I'm a student of Valisimo Fashion School. I just clocked 3 months.
I've learned a lot since I got to Valisimo Fashion School. On a normal day, I don't believe that someone can work with 20, 40, 30 yards of fabric.
I derived joy into fashion, but I was kind of finding it difficult to go about it.
Before coming to Valisimo, I never had the idea of maybe fashion or even driving a machine, but they helped me that I make dress for myself. My mom say I made the dress I'm making though, and I love it. Everybody love it.
I came in a month ago. I registered for English pattern drafting, basic and advanced for 6 months, and to my greatest surprise, after 1 month, I can actually cut and sew, and I made a 6-piece skirt for myself. You can see that. Well, what actually boosts my speed in this learning is that I stayed in the school hostel. We have the machine to ourselves. After class, we've been taught, so we can come back to the hostel area. I've made 6 skirts, which I planned that this month, first month, I'm going to make 10 skirts, and I'm working on the 7th one now.
Hi, my name is Patrick. I'm a student of Valisimo Fashion School. I came all the way from Anambra State, and I live in the school hostel.
I can't say it's been easier because I face a lot of challenges, in the sense that you have to sew and you have to lose whenever you make a mistake.
Actually, I'm a fashion designer, but I had no idea truly about the whole thing. I only could sketch things and just take it to my tailor, and then we just bring something out.
I want to thank God for the kind of tutors we have here. They are really trying their best. I must say that you Valisimo Fashion School selected the best people to tutor their students.
Okay, this is a dress, a mermaid goddess dress, and it's cold shoulder. This is my godde. This is the front godde, and this is the back.
I'm working on a ball dress, and I use like 30 yards of nets. Then the satin like 15 yards, the hard nets like 10 yards. You know, I can't believe that I can work with this volume of fabric to make a dress, and you can see it's a bustier. I'm in my 4th month, and I'm going to 6 months. In my 4th month, I'm making a bustier and a ball dress. It can even pass for a wedding dress if it's made with white. So I would say that Valisimo Fashion School has really helped me a whole lot, because I knew next to nothing, not until I got to this school. I want to appreciate the management, the staffs, the tutors, and everyone. Thank you very much, because you've shaped and molded me into becoming a perfect and a good tailor. Thank you.
I thought about going further, trying to have the experience myself, so I started with Valisimo, and it's been wonderful. Like truly, the management, the staffs, the teachers, and my colleagues, it's been amazing, truly. For the past few weeks I've been here, it's wonderful.